Welcome to our channel. If you need to remove WhatsApp backup from Google Drive, follow these step-by-step instructions to free up cloud storage and manage your data. Step 1. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to drive.google.com. Step 2. Log in with the Google account that is linked to your WhatsApp backup. Step 3. Click on the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of the Google Drive interface. Step 4. Select Settings from the drop-down menu to access your Drive settings. Step 5. In the left sidebar, click on Manage Apps to see all apps that store data in your Google Drive. Step 6. Find WhatsApp Messenger in the list of apps. It will show you how much storage space WhatsApp is using. Step 7. Click on Options next to WhatsApp Messenger. Step 8. Select Delete Hidden App Data from the drop-down menu. Step 9. Google Drive will ask you to confirm that you want to permanently delete your WhatsApp backup. This action cannot be undone. Step 10. Click Delete to confirm and your WhatsApp backup will be immediately removed from Google Drive, freeing up the storage space it was using. Note that after deletion, you will not be able to restore your chat history from this backup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.